Hey traders, I want to show you volume flow. Let's look at the settings. There are 4 exchanges and 4 indexes. Right now, if you look right here, it says S&P 500. We're looking at one of the 4 indexes. This is looking at all the volume in that index and how it's moving around and accumulating that movement. You might want to look at the New York Stock Exchange instead. This is looking at all the stocks in the New York Stock Exchange, how their volume is moving, accumulating that over time, and overlaying it onto your chart. Some of you might trade Apple. This can look at the volume flow for the New York Stock Exchange and have it overlaid onto Apple. Now you might want to go back and historically look at some things, and the accumulator isn't quite as close to price as you want for your journaling and other things. We can fit this to intraday ranges. And now when you scroll back, it fits the chunk of volume flow into its respective price range, so that it's much easier to view for historical journaling and backtesting. Now, a lot of you might be uncomfortable with a line on your charts, so it is able to be set to a histogram, and this is a preference thing. I personally don't use histograms, but I do know traders who are more comfortable with a histogram than an accumulated line. The last setting that I want to show you is to set this to momentum instead of a crossover model for coloration. And this calculates the momentum of volume flow and attempts to determine when momentum is slowing down and speeding up, and really overall telling you how directional the volume flow is going to be. And this is a little more helpful for defining particular market conditions that have to do with volume flow within indexes and exchanges. Well, I hope these settings were helpful, and you can always come check out this indicator. I have it streaming live on my webpage at BaconTrading.com under the Live Indicators tab. You can always shoot me an email at BaconTrading@gmail.com, or come follow me on Twitter at PipSinger. And I hope to hear from you, and I hope this was helpful.